shooter, there's an active shooter.
Right as Risa Davis showed up to work at a business in Old Town Arvada.
So it's just like a panic.
She saw police and people running.
I just ran to my work to try and get inside.
Before the shooting, an Arvada police officer responded to a 911 call. Shots were fired about 15 minutes later.
At about 1:15 this afternoon, an Arvada officer responded to a call of a suspicious incident in the Old Town Square near the Arvada Library.
We're still not sure what happened, but 3 people are dead. The police officer, a Good Samaritan, and a suspect. It's difficult for people in this quiet community to comprehend.
I really didn't think it was gunshots, so I wasn't really paying attention to exactly how many shots.
The investigation continues. Questions remain unanswered. And a community mourns, still shaken.
But I feel rattled.
I couldn't believe that it happened a block away from my apartment.
Nannies and kids were running in from the park right next to us saying there were active shooters in the area.
Some people were, frantic. And that's the ones we said, hey, jump in here. It'll be a safe spot.
I heard the shots between 5 and 7. And I rounded on my heels and saw the shooter. The shooter seemed, detached.
The thing about this community is the cops are very different. They're very well trained. They're very empathetic.
When's it going to stop? When are we going to stop taking down police officers?
Incredibly tragic story. First question, is there anything the community can do to protect itself when you're in a situation like this? Active shooter, you hear those words, it's absolute panic. Schweitzer, your thoughts?
I have to agree wholeheartedly with the idea of training citizens to take evasive action when there are random shootings or things like this. This could happen anywhere in America, Vinny, and people need to have a game plan. They need to think about the possibilities because studies show that people that have an idea as to what to do in a crisis are more likely to survive. I would say in addition to this, every community that can afford it should have tactical units, SWAT teams, because you can see those are the officers that are really trained to control the situation and try to protect as many people as possible. I believe strongly in tactical units when you can afford it.